Hello, fellow language explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Learning English with Movies, where we bring lessons to life with examples from famous films. Today, we're diving into the world of the present simple tense. Don't worry, it's just like its name. Simple. In this video, we will explain the present simple in the negative form. And don't forget to subscribe, because we will talk about how we ask questions in our next video. Let's get started. You already know that to use a verb with the present simple tense, you just need to take the verb without to at the beginning, but always remember to add an s with he, she, or it, okay? To make a negative sentence, add do not before the verb. For he, she, or it, use does not. And you do not need to add an s at the end this time. I do not like ice cream. You do not like ice cream. He, she, it does not like ice cream. But wait, here's a little secret. Actually, people often use shorter ways of speaking with the present simple. Instead of do not, they say don't. And instead of does not, they say doesn't. It's easy, right? I don't sing. She doesn't drive a car. They don't play soccer. Let's look at some examples.
I don't believe it.
I don't know anything about Ryan. I don't care.
We don't have time for that, Howard.
They don't get hungry. They don't sleep. I do.
Because she doesn't know who I am.
He doesn't like to be called Chucky.
He doesn't like you.
I'm sorry.
It doesn't make you special.
It doesn't make any difference where she is.
If you want to say a negative sentence with the verb be, just add not after be. I am not happy. You are not happy. He, she, it is not happy. Most people prefer to use the shorter form of the verb when they speak. For example, I am not becomes I'm not. You are not becomes you're not. And he, she, and it is not becomes he's not, she's not, and it's not. Okay, are you ready for more examples?
I'm not a cop, all right?
You're not a Terminator anymore, all right?
Because he's not a hero.
It's just she's not the most open person in the world.
We're not here to make friends.
I had memories, but they're not real.
You can use the present simple with the negative form to talk about things that are not true or that people don't do. She doesn't work in a restaurant. I'm not a cat. The car is not red. Let's look at some examples.
This is the United States of James Carter now. I'm the president, I'm the emperor, I'm the king. They don't like you, I don't like you.
I don't care. I'm here for the girl.
Nobody likes you.
I don't talk about feelings, Alfred. I don't have any. I've never seen one. I don't feel anything emotionally except for rage. Good night, Alfred.
Sir, it's morning.
Another interesting way to use don't in a sentence is when you tell someone else not to do something. You just put don't in front of the verb. Don't drive when you're tired. Here are some more examples for you.
I have to go away.
No, don't do it. Please, don't go. Wait, you don't have to do this. No, don't do it. Don't go.
I know now why you cry. But it's something I can never do.
Now, it's time to practice what you have learned. You will see sentences without verbs. Your job is to put them in the present simple tense. Ready? Go.
I don't believe in God, but I'm afraid of him.
He doesn't like that. Not one bit.
You don't want the truth.
Maybe they're not here for you.
She's not a nurse.
They're not here.
That's it for today. I hope you've learned a lot about the present simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful lessons. Until next time, keep learning and you'll improve your English in no time.